The iQOO Z11 Turbo is expected to launch soon in China, while an official launch date is not known yet. iQOO announced that the Z11 Turbo is now open for pre-orders. The handset features a square-shaped rear camera module housing dual sensors within a pill-shaped cutout, while the LED flash sits outside the module. The iQOO Z11 Turbo will feature a 6.59-inch OLED screen that offers a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The device could be equipped with a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 primary camera and a secondary 8-megapixel camera. Feature a 32-megapixel front camera. The iQOO Z11 Turbo will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. It will pack a massive 7,600 mAh battery. The tipster claims Z1 Turbo offers the largest battery size compared to all other phones in similar form factor. The tipster claims that the Z11 Turbo has the same large corners on the display, a metal middle frame. For durability, the device will offer an IP68/69 rated dust and water resistance. It appears that the phone is slated for a January 2026 launch. The iQOO executive confirmed that the device will be priced at around 2,500 yuan. The device may launch by early January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.